Is that on?
Yes.
Okay. So here's what happened. I went to go do some exhaust bolts, and the head just right off because, like I said, I'm an idiot. So I'm going to try. Alright. Yeah, I know. It's all getting junked anyway. Whatever. Well, this side ain't looking so hot. That's a shame, though, because there's no wear rings in this block. None. That's... oh, man.
Okay, so...
I'm looking to see... yeah, I know I should have pulled the dipstick tube off. I don't care. This engine's garbage anyway. There we go. I don't like how that looks. I don't like how this looks at all.
But is that...
I don't see any, like, obvious
where would it
points
be
of, like,
considered
blowout,
blown?
though. I had an old Dodge Shadow at one point, and the head gasket on that just... you could see it right in between the cylinders where it just flat out broke.
Okay, so what's next? Or what could be the next?
Well, next we gotta tear off the crank, the oil pan, and see what happened in there.
Okay.
Let me see if I see anything quick here. Not really. But I don't like how it is in here at all.